some molds. Look at this deep ribbed mold. Big old crawfish mold. Picked up. Went to the store and just got some jigs. Couple dollars. Since you can't get any block plastoid, I got the doors open, I got the windows open. We're gonna rock and roll. So let's get to it. I have 2 layers. I'm gonna try and melt. I melted some of this down and put it down. Put down a nice light layer. Now once the jar cools off, to the point where I can touch it again and get all that out, then I'll put the black in there over the top and we'll see how it comes out 2 times. And the black. Okay. So there's some gaps here. Alright, there's the blackboard. Now I'm gonna let it cool until it, now we'll let it cool. So it might look like a blob of mess now, but we're gonna pull these out nice and slow. Oh no, the black didn't solidify next to the gold, or did it? I don't know, hold on, we'll pull slowly. Okay, there's the paddle. Ribs coming out. It's very interesting how it came together like that. Oh, it's separated at the head. But still, that's a very, if it hadn't separated at the head, that's very unique in an odd ribbed sort of way. It separated at the paddle tail and at the head. I'm sure I could probably remelt that down, but that's interesting to say the least. So let's, I like that pattern. So let's see how the crawdad looked, right? So pull it out nice and slow. And again, the black didn't adhere very well to that gold. We'll see as I try to pull this out a little better. Even though it's been in here almost 10 minutes, it's still really hot. Probably because of the size. I imagine it's because of the size. That did not come out very well. Blunt. To be rather blunt, that did not come out very well. So I think that's definitely going to get melted down. And I think I'm going to try this mold again, two-toning this mold again, but this mold, I don't know, that came out just a little too awkward, and maybe because I over-poured, I'm not 100% sure, but back in the jar. So, I'm sure this one I could probably fix with a little bit of heat gun on the end, and that looks fairly aggressive jig, paddle tail, boot tail, no paddle tail. So let's try that one again. Ditched the crawfish mold. It wasn't working out like I thought it would, and I went ahead and grabbed my other swim bait mold. Just went straight black this time, so we'll see how it goes. This one kind of poured a little bad, but there's some bubbles and settling going on in there. But once it cools off, you're gonna see it. Ooh, ow, still really hot. Yep. So that was a dumb move to do on camera. Go figure. But once it cools off here, we'll pull them out and see how this black looks. The ribbed one, but this one's cool to the touch. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one out now. This is just a basic swim bait. Nice and slow. Have a body. Now this particular one's going to have some overflow to it. And suction the boot coming out. Oh yeah, there's one. Okay, I'll pull the other one out. The way it all kind of crumbles out. This one might need to be pulled out via the tail. I'm not sure. Oh, nope, I got the head out, so here we go. Alright. There's the boot. Grab another boot and just boot. I think this black came out a lot better than the other ones did. Still wanted to touch a bit, so there we go. Again, reclaimed jigs in a pour mold. Yeah, that'll do. That'll, as a coworker of mine will say, says that'll hunt. It'll definitely hunt. Trim it up a little bit. Okay, got more pouring to do. Some you lose some. This mold, although it looks nice, this part right here just isn't deep enough. The spine just isn't deep enough. The ribs are deeper than the spine, so not really. I don't know. I'll check it up to maybe. I'll try it again with some of the gold, but I make no promises. As far as this black though, this black kills. So this black is amazing. It melted well. It poured well. Or at least, you know, I think it just comes down to the mold itself. So I'm going to make some more. Alright, and y'all have a good night. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, go ahead and click that like button. And I look forward to having you on my channel again. Remember, fishing is life. For everything else, there's coffee.